Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a action pose as in a person with hands spread out and jumping or flying toward us. So that is the shoulder set, delt and delt. So it's like an eagle like spread out pose. So those are the arms, and head will be somewhere here. So let's just throw in an oval right there. Lats, chest. We have done similar videos and you could check them out. In fact, we have done one in a similar flying pose, but we are showing this from a slightly different perspective. So we're going to grab ourselves a pen and try to flesh this out a little better. So the chest from this angle will be visible kind of like that, and the delts are right there, and lats. So arms spread out right there like an eagle's wings. And let's say we have the fingers and the thumb lined up like that. And same thing on this side. So essentially, if it is this kind of posture, it's mostly reminiscent of flying. But we will see in a second that there are other implications also that we see in this particular pose. Now we'll keep the head for now looking upward. So eyes right here and nose right here, seen from that particular angle. Mouth right here, and there is the chin, and we'll just put in a shadow right under the chin, let's say, just for precision, and some neck muscles going into the collar bone structure right there. Again, it all depends on the source of light, of how much of a shadow we are looking to put in, but this is more characteristic in this particular pose. So at times a bit of the ab structure and the serratus is visible, and let's say that we go really back again, and we have done something similar, but a revisit is always good. So let's say we're showing a lot of foreshortening there. So that is the thigh, that is the second thigh right there, knee, and there we have the extremely foreshortened shin and calf, and a bit of the feet joined together showing from that angle, and with all the little details falling in. If we do not need to show that, which is fine, we can just show up till here, and it'll still work. Then we can do a few things with the arms here. So let's say that we pull the delts back upward. We could have the arms placed like that, so sort of a fist at the end. Or we could also have the arms placed, bring the delt back down where it was, and instead of rounding the delt head, anterior delt head here, we could also pull the arms right back, and it will still look awesome. But it would be better if the back of the hand shows in this particular pose a little bit. So there's the thumb, back of the hand, bit of the fingers like showing. And same exercise for the right hand in this case. So again, back of the hand and the thumb and the fingers placed like that. And it also like works like a charm. Now the real life application is that at times if you just do a skater's pose, you will be able to see several images with the thigh, with the body placed like this and the thigh going in this direction and one foot tucked right there, and the arms of course spread out like that. Right, so there we have it. Do try it out. It's awesome. Please let us have your comments. Please subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.